Okay, I realize I haven't done this for a long time. When I'm busy until I cannot do a vlog, means I'm super busy, like super duper busy. If not, I will find time to do one. So anyway, today is a Sunday, freaking hot Sunday, and guess what? I have 4 appointments. Out of 4 appointments, okay, I have 4.5 appointments. The point five is the one I'm most looking forward to. Guess what appointment that is? Actually, is to go my client's place to drink. So that's the one that I'm most looking forward to. The others, they are all work appointments. So I'm like a little bumped up lah, because to have 4 appointments within the day is quite mad. So I'm done with my first one, which is settle lighting at the light shop. So that was quite fast. Now I'm supposed to go to site to have some discussion on the town, the way we arrange tiles to lay it, like which way and all that. So to confirm that, get it out of the way. Then I have another appointment with another client at the tile shop. That will be later part of the day. And then I need to go to another site to make some decisions on my own lah. So I just want to take a look so that I can better figure out things. And then finally, my drinking appointment. So yeah, until then it's a long way. It's like a few hours only, but so many things to do. Okay, but it's a happy problem. So cannot complain. Just do it. Yeah, so I can't wait to show you guys the different projects that I'm working on. They're all different styles, like very different. So I cannot emphasize enough. Yeah lah, only when you see then you know lah. But anyway, just now, just to show you guys that yeah, I met a very irritating driver. I'm supposed to park in this lot, right? So there was a car following very close behind me, this Tarbing. So close until, like, obviously I already signaled that I want to reverse into this lot. The fellow also want to reverse into his lot, okay? And he's right behind me. I'm like, hey, walao, you can wait or not? He's like, it's just a while only. What's your problem? You really 赶去投胎 or what? So I'm very pissed. I'm like, really 一种米养百种人 lor. Then some 米 养 this kind of rubbish people. So I have to get it out of my system. Okay, so anyway, can't wait to show you guys. So hopefully later on site I can show you some vids. But let me clear with my clients first, in case they are not okay with it. Okay, see ya. Do you miss me, huh? 诶，他认识我了嘞。Finally.
It's a smart tag.
No need to 50 first date. Hey, finally you remember me Oh, good boy. Hey, 今天脸乖嘞 Something is wrong. Want to wear me already? Just now I saw you so shook. Then now you want to wear me? What's the logic? What's the logic? You tell me. What's the logic? No logic, right? No logic, right? Hey, 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 hey. Very naughty leh. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? So silly. You're so silly. So silly.